I hope you can see that. Now, what we have here is happy. It's a name, not the adjective happy, but someone's name. Happy. This is our verb. And then here, what we have here is an object. So, object, because the action here affects this. So, it's not a complement. It doesn't relate back. Neither is it an adverb. So, what we have here is a noun phrase, a simple noun phrase. House is a noun. So, we can't say it's an adverb. It's still not a complement. Complement, in most cases, when you have complements here, what you have there will be an adjective. So, what we have there is an object. So, that tells us the SVO structure, meaning that we have an additional element, object of the sentence. So, we have seen another element of the sentence. We want to move on to another form. Let's take D. Here now, we want to, if you look at this, we may call it a direct object. But sometimes you have two objects in a sentence. When that occurs, one will be direct and the other will be indirect. So, let's look at that structure we're talking on. That will be the S plus V plus IO indirect, then plus DO direct. Okay. Now this is not do. What we mean here is direct object. So let's take an example to illustrate. I told Wara the news. How is our sentence like? We have subject, we have a verb. Now, Wara happens to be our indirect object, while this is our direct object. What is told actually is the news. Usually the indirect object is the recipient of the direct object. The indirect object is the recipient of the direct object. That is how it is. We can give other sentences. John sent his mother some present. Some present is your direct object. His mother is your indirect object. So this gives us, this D gives us an additional element. This time now, the indirect object, where you have two objects in a sentence.